that was existing topics, topics that people are already searching for on Google. And those are harder to rank for, but they can get more traffic. Now, new topics are a little bit different. These are things that people aren't searching for directly, that you can go after and try to create something people might search for. Now, these new topics do have lower SEO potential. You're never going to get as much traffic for a new topic as you will an existing topic, unless the concept of that new topic goes viral in some sense or becomes a household name. Now that said, there is a lower SEO competition. New topics are extremely easy to rank for because nobody else is trying to rank for them. The best way to create a new topic is to make up a word or make up a term to describe what you're talking about. And if you can do this, then it's extremely easy to rank number 1 on Google. So let me show you a few examples. Runway calculator, second degree dinners, stamina, savable income. So let's go back to Google here. And if I type in runway calculator, you can see that right here, the first result is me. So this was something I created called the runway calculator. It wasn't a term that anybody else was using for this. And now that I've defined it as that, when I talk about it on podcasts or amongst friends, or when other people tell their friends about it, they can just go to Google and they can type in runway calculator and easily find my article. I did the same thing with savable income. So this is a term I came up with for defining the amount of money at the end of all of your cost of living, as well as taxes and income. So this is another term that I just developed on my own, used it to brand the article, and now if somebody tells somebody else about this idea, they can just plug savable income into Google and find it. Same thing with second degree dinners. So number 1 here, and I think I had one other example there. Oh yeah, stamina. So the name of the app that I had developed. If somebody plugs stamina in, exactly, they find me as number 1 here, and then the app down below it.